Hey, this is Nico. I wanted to do this video on how to edit in iMovie in vertical mode. I've read a lot of things. I was looking through a lot of different tutorials, and for some reason it's not a very common thing, and it took me a while to find out that you actually can in iMovie edit everything vertically, and it makes it a lot easier than you think. In general, you're going to create a project, you do a movie or a trailer, select this option, and your video, let's say you just recorded something or a screen recording or anything like that, you would import it and then it would look like this, horizontal, like a regular screen. So the way around this in iMovie, you would, instead of going here and creating a new project, so you would go here and what you have to do is you have to go File here, New App Preview, and you would have to import a video that's recorded or some kind of media that has the right size and the right orientation that you want. I'm going to show you, I'm going to import this quick video I recorded with my phone that's recorded vertically. So let's see, just do this random video here. So you see now when it imports the video, it's in this format. So all you'd have to do if you want to import it, say something that's a regular screen size, would just import behind that your video like this. And now that screen recording I just imported that you can see here is it's supposed to be horizontal, now can fit in here as a vertical format. Then you would just go here and export it, and that makes it a lot easier to edit your video for social media content without having to go buy an app or like some kind of weird conversion that you don't have. I figure probably most people have the very basic iMovie, and that trick helped me a lot. This way you can edit everything vertically, export it, and then you're pretty much done with it.